Hello everyone and welcome to Watercolor. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing tiny watercolor travel palette that almost fits inside any bag. So recently I've been wanting to bring my watercolor with me when going outside, but sometimes my bags are too small to fit everything in. So I decided to make my own DIY watercolor palette. As you can see, there's even place for combining colors. There's multiple of them. Yeah, so let's get to the video and make this amazing watercolor travel palette. So the first thing that we need is an eyeshadow palette, a palette that you no longer use. Mine is from my sister and is expired, so no worries. So right now I'm just going to remove all the colors and clean up the palette using a cutter. So basically, if you need the eyeshadow, you can keep them in another container or in another palette, but I suggest not keep them because they're going to be ruined and they're not going to be useful again. So here's me removing them, then I'll go and wash them and clean them as I can. Now I've cleaned all my palette and removed all the eyeshadow pigments. Now if your palette has any logos or anything that you want to remove, you can do so by using a nail polish remover. Now I'm going to remove the logo that is on my palette using a nail polish remover and clean everything. So now my top part is nice and clean. Now I'm going to add my watercolors. So the colors that I've chosen is basically the primary colors. Blue, green, yellow is a must for me. And you can add any other color that you wish. If you have primary colors, you can almost get any other colors that you wish for. So that's what I'm going to do. And since you're going to travel, you just want to minimize the spaces. So you just want to bring the colors that is essential for you. And that is definitely the primary colors. Although they're from one brand, the consistency is different from one another. Some of the colors are, more thick and some of them are, more liquid. So that is why I think because of the pigments that has been used in these colors. Now I'm going to add a label on top of my palette. I've cut a round label. If yours is rectangular or square, you can definitely cut, the shape of your palette. And I'm going to stick it to the top using glue, or you can use tape as well. And it's really important to have a white top because the other side, the under of this palette, you're going to combine colors on, so it's really important to have a white top so you can see what colors are you combining. And I'm just going to write on it, travel palette. You can write anything. You can, write your name or, sparkle palette or anything. Now I'm going to divide the other part that I have into two parts, the two portions, using hot glue so that I can add more colors that I want. So yeah, and I'm going to divide the top that I just talked about into multiple parts so that I will have multiple space to combine my colors while painting. So the other two colors that I'm going to add is going to be ochre and black, definitely black. If I have black, with the primary colors, I think I would get everything that I want. You can also go for white, but I don't use white that much currently, so I'm good with the black. So I'm going to remove that mirror and also turn it to a place where I can combine my colors. And that is pretty much it, everyone. Now you got your nice, lovely, amazing, tiny watercolor palette that you can bring with you everywhere, wherever you go. That would not need a lot of space. So I hope you liked the video. Till next time, goodbye. Wassalam.